A Wheatley Kit tactile diagram is a Velcro board with a variety of pieces that can be made into countless tactile diagrams and maps. Tactile diagrams utilize raised lines, different textures, and shapes to communicate visual details through touch. Pieces included in the Wheatley Kit can be used to orient to different layouts, spaces, obstacles, and more. For example, this Wheatley Kit is showing the outline of a soccer field, the outline of the field, the lines on the field, and the goal. When using the Wheatley Kit, make sure that the athlete is facing the same way that the diagram represents. You want the athlete, the space, and the tactile diagram to all be oriented in the same direction. Moving the pieces can represent what is happening on the field to allow the athlete to follow along during gameplay. We have these Wheatley Kits available to borrow at no cost from our equipment lending library, but it is possible to make your own version at home using cardboard, Velcro, and any art supplies you have at home. And that's how to use a Wheatley Kit tactile diagram.